The S2000 to me is basically like my mini vacation. Whenever I'm at work or with family and friends, this is my escapade from stress in life. So I get to drive this around anywhere I want, especially to the beach. I work a lot, especially a lot of hours at the business, at the hospital. This basically is my escape. So it could be a half an hour just driving along the coast or anywhere. And basically this resets my day. The only meet back at that time was every Friday night. It was called the Milpitas Friday Night Meets. So every Friday, 9 p.m. in Milpitas at Sweetheart Cafe. I used to go to those meets every single night for a few years. And then driving from basically San Francisco to San Jose an hour each way kind of took a toll. So I kind of got tired. I said, why not create my own meet? And then I started the annual S2000 Mega Meet. And that was back in 2010, I believe. To be in the middle, you have to be in San Francisco, so you're like an hour from San Jose or an hour from Sacramento, so the only place will be San Francisco Treasure Island, and that's the first spot where I held the event. Yeah, the Treasure Island S2000 Annual Mega Meet, and that's where we had over 100 S2000 come from all parts of the Bay Area, especially California, and we had a couple of people come from out of state just for this meet, and it was actually one of my dreams come true because I never thought I could make a meet this huge. I thought only like the first small meet within the peninsula of Day City was only less than 10 people my first try. But after like a few months, it became like from 5 people to 10 people to 20, 40, then 100 plus. They became like your family, so you made a lot of new friends. And there's all different nationality or diversity, so everybody had like a similar vision to like improving your car and basically just having a good time, basically.